Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn what Python is, why Python is so popular. First of all, what Python is. Python is a high-level interpreted and general-purpose programming language. I repeat, Python is a high-level interpreted and general-purpose programming language. This programming language was created by Guido van Rossum and the same was officially released in 1991. The name Python, it came after Monty Python's Flying Circus. As we are calling this programming language as Python, it has nothing to do with the reptiles. It is just a programming language. Okay, as there are so many programming language, as you are aware, say for example C, C++, Java. There are so many programming languages earlier to this Python. Then why this programming language again? Because the primary goal of this programming language is to make programming simple and readable. To make programming simple and readable. How? I'll illustrate with a simple example. As you all aware of C programming language, I go with the C programming language. In C programming language, to print a simple statement, we have to write some lines of code. Am I correct? Right. I'll show you the example. I have already. Uh, it's not there. My bad. Okay. I'll write it Windows Word. Mm, I'll type here C program. My bad. Main language. To print a single line of statement, the code in C programming language will be yeah. To write just hello world, my bad. To print hello world, we have to write these many lines of code. This is the library and this is the beginning of the program and open braces and closed braces, and within those braces we are writing the lines of code. For printing just hello world, we have to write this much of code in C programming. Now coming to Python, I'll show you how to print this hello world. Yeah, I have already opened my VS Code here, and also I've created a simple Python file here, the interactive Python notebook file. In this, I'm just writing the code. Now execute this code and see what will be the output. Yeah, I'm executing it. See here, we got the output as hello world. Here, how many lines of code is there? Just a single line of code to print this single statement. But coming to this C programming, we wrote almost all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines of code here. So it replaced this 5 lines of code is replaced with a single line of code. So we can say that this is a simple programming language, right? Programming became very, very, very simple using this Python programming. That is the primary goal of Python programming language, why it was created. As there are so many programming languages like C, CPP, Java, blah 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 are there. Python was created mainly to make programming simple and readable. With this example, you also agree with me, right? Very good. This is brief introduction about what Python is. And now we will learn why Python is so popular. Why Python is so popular? Any idea? Very good. It is very simple, and the syntax is also very simple. As I have already said, or I have already explained a simple program, right? Print hello world. It is readable, right? A layman who is able to read English can read this code, right? Print, what to print? Hello world. It is very understandable, right? It is very simple and also very understandable. And coming to syntax, as it is a single line, we cannot conclude that syntax is very simple. I'll show you another example for this syntax. Mm, okay. I'll illustrate you what to code. Yeah, we'll go with even and odd. Okay. For this, I'm taking a variable number and I'm giving it 10. I'm assigning 10 to this number, and coming to the code, print even if number percentile to equal to 0, else print odd. See, in the code, I just assign 10 to a number, and I'm going to find out whether it is an even number or odd number. Shall we execute? Right, I'm executing it. See, as I have assigned 10 as number, as it is even, it has given me even. Now see, by changing the value of number, I'm giving here 15 and again executing my code. See here, the output is odd. What is 15? Whether it is odd or even? Very good. It is odd number. So it has given me odd. So program is correct. Here you can see the syntax. We have assigned a variable to the number. My bad. We have assigned a value to a variable and we are finding it odd or even. Just read the syntax. Number is equal to some value, print even if number percentile 2 equal to 0, else odd. We know that the logic behind even or odd while writing the program, we all know, right? So with this, we can say that the syntax is very simple in Python programming language. So it became very popular. Not only this, this Python program is it is an open source programming language. What is open sourced? Right, open source is we can uh, use it, we can modify it, and if you want, if we are interested, we can contribute to the Python community or Python programming. So we can use it freely. There is no need to pay any license fee or whatever it may be. We no need to pay anything to use it, to download it, or to use it. Okay, so it is open source. Open source means we can easily, I mean, we can usually download it, I mean, freely download it. That is called open source programming language. And coming to another popular feature, it has huge community support. Huge community support. So being a beginner, if you face any problem in coding Python, there is somebody who has already solved the problem. That is called community support. Especially coming to Python, there are so many YouTube videos and also so many communities, so much documentation is available online freely. Okay, millions of developers use Python worldwide as it is free, as it is open sourced. So it is one of the advantage in using Python, and that's why it became so popular. Coming to another feature which became Python so popular is large number of libraries. First, what is a library? A library is a collection of pre-written code. As we say in general, what is a library? Library is collection of all books, right? General. I'm not talking about programming. Generally, libraries is a collection of all books, right? All type of books, all type of subjects, right? When coming to this Python, a library is collection of pre-written code. We can use it anywhere in the programming, in our programs. Okay, that is, instead of building everything from scratch, we can use this ready-made code which is available freely. For example, there are so many libraries are there. For example, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Django. Why these libraries are, where we can use, what are the uses of these libraries means? NumPy is used for mathematical calculations, for speed calculations. Pandas for data analysis. Matplotlib is used for visualization. There are so many, in this way there are so many libraries are there for various types of uses. As there are so many libraries, there is no need to build anything from scratch. We can use these libraries in our programs also. This made Python very popular. And also the main important feature is cross platform compatibility. What is this cross platform compatibility? Means there are so many operating systems are there, right? For example, we are all familiar with Windows, Mac OS, Linux. There are so many editions are there in Linux also. There are so many types. Ubuntu, likewise. You're all very much familiar with it, right? If you're if you have already created or developed any program or any code or any application using Windows, say for example Windows operating system, and the same can be executed in another OS also. There is no need to build again from the scratch there in another operating system for the same application. That is what the compatibility, cross platform compatibility, it is very much useful, right? So it is also one of the major feature in Python which made Python so popular. Okay, these are important ones. uh, if you, as we are limiting the videos to certain point of time, certain duration of time, we are limiting the features of Python. We are just limiting it. In the due course, we'll come to know each and everything about Python. As it is introduction, we are limiting. So these made Python so popular. As we are saying, Python programming language is useful in so many sectors or so many fields. I'll give you some of the fields where Python can be used. Where with Python we can work with web development, API integrations. We can use in artificial intelligence. We can use in data science, automation, machine learning. Okay, these many fields are there where Python can be used. As Python is used in these many fields, career opportunities are also there. Career opportunities are also there or not? Right, career opportunities are also there. We can, as we know or as we master Python, we can work in web development, automation, cyber security, whatever, everything, game development. Okay, there are so many career opportunities are there using Python. So with this, just tell me whether learning Python is useful or not. Useful or not? Yes, yes, very good. Definitely, it is very advantageous to learn Python programming. Uh, I'll just sum up what we learn in this video is what Python is. Python is a high level interpreted general purpose programming language. It is very simple and powerful programming language, and it became so popular because of simple syntax, as it is open source, that is we can use it freely, and there is huge community support. That means um, as a beginner, if we feel or if we are facing any problem, there is a possibility that it is already solved. That is there in this Python community support. And there are large number of libraries are there. Using those libraries, there is no need to start from the scratch. And the Python is also cross platform compatible, so we can easily develop in one OS and can execute it in another OS. It is very flexible. With this, Python became so popular, and there are so many career opportunities are there by learning Python. Hope you like this video and hope you understand what Python is and why Python became so popular. Thank you for watching, and we will meet in another video.